The next thing that we can insert is SmartArts. So in order to do that, first we click on this SmartArt button over here inside the Insert tab, and we go through all these presets that this provides us with. We need to choose the one that we are seeking to use and click OK, and as you see, SmartArt will be added to our project. So we can change the content to it using this part. So I say step 1, for example, step 2, step 3. And as you see, this is how we can have SmartArts inside Microsoft Excel.
The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.